All right, the last chunk for lesson 2-3 is question number 3 only. Let's take a look at this problem. It says model with mathematics. Bags of maple granola cost $2 more than bags of apple granola. The owner of a restaurant ordered 6 bags of the maple and 5 of the apple. The total cost was $56. A says, let M represent the cost of the bags of maple granola. Write an expression for the cost of the 6 bags of maple granola. Part B, use the variable M to write an expression for the cost of the bag of apple granola. C says, write an expression for the cost of 5 bags of this apple granola. D says, write an equation to show that the 6 bags of maple and the 5 bags of apple granola was $56. Last, solve your equation to find the cost per bag of each type of granola. You and your partner or your table mates will work on question 3 for 7 minutes. Go ahead and pause your video. So now the answers to question number 3 have been provided, and I want to take a look in detail at letter B in problem 3. Now it asks us to represent how much or an expression to represent the cost of the 6 bags of maple. Well, that was easy. We knew that maple was M, and we knew that we had 6 bags, so we did 6M. Now, here was the tricky part. It said that the maple cost $2 more than the bag of apple. So that means apple is going to be maple minus 2. Okay? So for instance, if maple is $8, then that meant apple was $6 because it's $2 less than what the maple was. So that is the reason why we came up with this M minus 2. Well, then it tells us, don't forget, we had 5 bags of these. So I did 5 M minus 2 in parentheses. Now it says, write an equation for part D. Well, remember he bought 2 different types of granola. He bought 6 of the maple, 5 of the apple. So together, those equal $56. I went through the steps out here in the My Notes section, and I got down to M equals 6. Well, remember M represented our maple. So maple's $6. But it also says find the cost per bag of each type. Well, that only gave me maple. So in order to find apple, I went back up to this part and did 6 minus 2 to give me $4 for the apple. On to your debriefing.